Think of IAM roles as guest passes at a concert. You get access but don't own a permanent ticket. They grant temporary permissions for different AWS resources without tying them to a specific user. This means better security, less risk of credential exposure, and more flexibility. Instead of juggling passwords, AWS handles access dynamically. Sounds good, right? I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM roles are like an actor's role in a movie, temporary, assigned for a purpose, and crucial to the story. These roles define what actions are permitted without being tied to a single user. Instead, AWS assigns them dynamically to resources like EC2 instances. So it's all about playing the right part at the right time. IAM users are like employees with personal ID cards, always there, always needing passwords. IAM roles, on the other hand, are like guest passes that expire after some time. Users need credentials, roles don't. This improves security because there's no need to store passwords or API keys. So, if a hacker gets their hands on a temporary role, it vanishes before they can do anything sneaky. Think of temporary security credentials like a one-time password, valid for a short while and then gone. AWS generates these using SDS, ensuring entities only have access for the time needed. This way, even if someone tries to misuse them, they won't last long enough for any damage. It's like having a Mission Impossible style self-destructing pass. Trust policies are the gatekeepers of IAM roles. They dictate who can step in and use a role, ensuring security isn't compromised. These policies, written in JSON, let you set conditions like requiring MFA for access, managing permissions across accounts. Trust policies make it seamless. Think of them as bouncers at an exclusive club. They decide who gets in and under what conditions. Assuming an IAM role is like borrowing a VIP badge, it grants temporary access but only under predefined conditions. AWS SDS hands out credentials that expire after a set time, keeping things secure. Whether switching roles within services or managing permissions carefully, session management is key. Done right, it streamlines operations while keeping security tight. Managing IAM roles is like curating a guest list. You control who gets access and what they can do. Creating roles, easy. Modifying them, necessary. Keeping tabs on usage, crucial. Applying least privilege ensures users have just enough access to get their job done, nothing more, nothing less. Because in security, less is always more. Best practices make life easier, and IAM roles are no exception. Ditch long-term credentials and opt for roles instead. MFA. Absolutely, an extra security layer never hurts. Regular audits ensure your permissions aren't outdated or overly permissive. And that golden rule, the principle of least privilege, keeps access tight and risk low. Stay smart, stay secure. IAM roles have countless real-world applications. Need to grant access between AWS accounts. Roles handle it effortlessly. Delegate permissions to apps without sharing credentials. Security stays intact. Temporary access for users. Roles make it safe and simple. And let's talk automation. It ensures access control runs smoothly without human intervention. Efficiency and security hand in hand. Security is everything, and IAM roles demand careful handling. Restrict access with conditions, ensuring only authorized users get in. AWS CloudTrail keeps tabs on who's using what, so nothing slips through the cracks. Rotating credentials keeps things fresh and secure. And excessive permissions, a big no-no. Keeping things tight minimizes risk. IAM roles are the backbone of secure access management. They enhance security, make identity management straightforward, and streamline operations like a well-oiled machine. Plus, they help keep compliance in check. Without them, managing permissions would be chaos. So embrace IAM roles. They are the unsung heroes of cloud security. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.